reflected in fewer new purchase contracts and longer days on the market, though the median list price rose 6.6% over last week. It's Friday, April 5th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. There are 1,363 homes for sale, rising week over week. 123 properties are coming soon, up again this week from last. 184 came to the market since last week, rising this week. 75 went under contract, falling 43% from last report. 73 moved to pending, declining 34% this week. 147 sold at 98.9%. List to sold ratio in days before contract fell to 14 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Earlville for $2,600,000 in cash. Rental homes rose to 85 at a median $2,000 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 5th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.